Hello, my name is Martin Kelly of martinkelly.com, and I'm a web developer and SEO specialist. At least that's what I call myself. SEO is search engine optimization, and it's trying to get Google and all the other search engines to really love your site. Now, I sort of put that little disqualifier, that's what I call myself, because that's what everyone talks about, is SEO this, SEO that. How do I get people to our website? But when I actually stop and I start working on client sites, I find that actually getting the search engines working properly is usually the least of the problems. That there's a lot of things that web owners and developers can do to actually bring in people and, even more importantly, keep them in and get them interactive with your website. So that's what this series is about, Beyond SEO. What can we do that's not just, strictly speaking, SEO, but is just as important and is kind of part of the whole package of that an SEO expert has. So one thing I want to talk about, there's a few kind of examples that I want to sort of put out there just to give you an idea about what this means and why you would want to go beyond SEO. The first is an example of niches and how do you find your audience. So I'm going to have a little scenario here that you are the owner of a business, a small regional business for walking dogs. You help dog owners find dog walkers. So it's called Metro Dog Walk, and you really have a great website and you want people to use it. You also have competitors, City Walk, and they're in the same area trying to do the same thing. So let me move on over here and show you what this might look like. So you are, as I said, Metro Dog Walk. That's what I called it. And you have a certain number of visitors. Well, you want more. So say you go out and you hire a big SEO expert and you now get 1,000 visitors a day. Wow, this sounds great, right? You somehow hack into your competitor, City Walk, and you find out that they're only getting 100 visitors a day. Well, you're just being the pants off them, aren't you? Well, not necessarily. So back to the screen there. What could be the difference? You've got an SEO expert who's gotten in and put you at the top of the charts for dog walk. You are getting all of these people here. All of these dog walkers are coming to you. Well, only a small percentage of them are going to be from your area. So having cornered the market on the word dog walk is just not very helpful. It's good SEO perhaps, but it's not good business sense. So your competitors, however, and let's go back to the competitors screen here. Your competitors, City Walk, are only getting 100 people a day. But what happens is that might be 100 people in your area. Metro Dog Walk, because you're getting people from all over the entire world coming there, maybe only 50 people of those would actually be in your area and potential users of your service. So yes, great, you've got great SEO. Does it help you? Does it really help your business? Not necessarily. So when you're looking at SEO and looking at ways of increasing yourself, it's not always important to go after the big keywords. Now, that's good because oftentimes the big keywords are long ago taken and other businesses with many more resources than you, have gotten those. So you often can't get that anyway. But the thing is, you want to find your niche, and it may be a geographical niche like the example I have, or it might be a customer niche. Any small or medium-sized business is going to have niches of some sort, probably a few niches. So you want to go after that, and you want to focus on that. And SEO, just by itself, getting more and more visitors doesn't matter if they're not the right visitors. Now, the second example I want to show, just to show you what beyond SEO could be, is an example of getting a lot of visitors but not doing anything with them. So let's go back again to our example. Let's get rid of our dog walkers here. So say you have Metro Dog Walk and you're getting a lot of people to your site. You've got great material up there. They're local people. You've fired your old SEO firm. You've got a new SEO firm. They're great people. You're getting now, say, 500 visitors a day, but you don't have any way for those visitors to take the next step to start using your business. What does that mean? You're not getting their business. Just very, very simple, you know. Oops, wrong screen here. Um, your competitor there, City Walk folks, well, maybe they're only getting still 100 visitors a day, but almost all of those visitors are filling out forms and getting on their mailing list. So those 100 visitors are converting to customers. Your 500 visitors are mostly looking at your site saying, wow, that looks great, but why would I care? So oftentimes the most important thing you can do is not even worry about getting more visitors in, but think about what is happening with the visitors you are already getting in. Do you have, well, first of all, do you have a plan for what you actually have the site for? What do you want visitors to do? Do you have a good sense about what you want visitors to do? If you do, then are they doing it? And are there ways of making it easier? Recently working with a client who has a address and phone number form for potential customers. They have it on their website. That's what they want people to do. And they have great material on their website. But it used to be that they had a link on their material that drew people in that you click here and you can get on the mailing list and get a free brochure, and there's other things. But almost no one clicked. Well, a lot of people did. But when we rearranged it so that the material that drew people in had right there on the same page a contact form with the information, well, of course you can guess here, many more people filled it out. So you're getting the same amount of people coming to the site, but many more people converting, which is reaching the goal that you want for that website. In this case, getting names and addresses so you can then do follow-up sales. So thinking about goals and thinking about how to reach people who are coming on your site, not worrying about getting new people in, but the people who are coming, how do you get them to do what you want them to do? Right? I mean, that's kind of what we're talking about. How do you, in fact, though, form a relationship with them? That you're giving them something they want and you're getting something that you want from them, so that you're building the beginning here of a mutual relationship. In any good business, it's going to be a mutual relationship that you're building. So that's just a little example of why you want to go beyond SEO. Not just to think about search engine optimization, getting Google, getting hundreds of thousands of visitors, but how to get the right visitors and how to actually engage with them on your website once they come. So I hope you like that little beginning of a series, and check out martinkelly.com there for more. There's already a lot of posts, and there's going to be a lot more of these video posts that I'm doing with it too. So thanks for listening, and if you have any ideas, go to the site. There's a contact form. Email me. I'd be happy to answer questions and maybe even do follow-up posts about any specific questions. So please engage here with me. That's one of the things I'd like to. So thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.